Programming a key fob for your 2007 to 2010 GMC Sierra is a simple process you can do at home. This method relies on the vehicle's basic rolling code technology and syncing the remote transmitter with your truck's body control module, BCM, to prevent unauthorized access. No special tools are needed, just your key and the fob you wish to program. Make sure you are not attempting to program a stolen fob, as it could be seen as aiding theft. First, ensure the vehicle is unlocked, all doors are closed, and no keys are in the ignition. If the fob's battery is weak, CR232 or equivalent, test voltage 2.7 volts, replace it before beginning. The effective range is 50 to 100 feet, reduced by obstacles or battery issues. Insert the key into the ignition switch without turning it on. This prepares the vehicle for programming mode. Cycle the ignition by turning the key to the on position and back to off 5 times within 10 seconds. This activates programming mode, and you may hear horns or see lights flash. Press and hold the lock and unlock buttons on the key fob simultaneously until the vehicle responds by cycling the locks. Repeat this step for each additional fob you want to program, up to 4 total. Exit programming mode by turning the key to on and waiting 10 seconds, or simply open the driver's door. If the programming didn't work, disconnect the vehicle's battery for 10 minutes to reset, or check with a mechanic for body control module issues.